If you struggle to prioritize your to-do list or you have ADHD, then this is a life-saving hack. I'm going to use ChatGPT to be able to prioritize my to-do list based on our North Star metric. This is how I do it. Hey, ChatGPT, I need your help reprioritizing my to-do list. I'm going to read you the to-do list and you're going to reprioritize it based on our North Star metric of annual recurring revenue. I run a AI SaaS company, which has a no-code builder that makes it easy to build, share, and sell AI assistants to clients. And our main users are agencies and consultants who are sharing those with their customers. Does that make sense? Are you ready to hear the to-do list to help me reprioritize?
Absolutely, Serj. I'm all set. Let's hear your to-do list and we'll get to work on prioritizing it for maximum annual recurring revenue.
Perfect. Here's the to-do list. So I have to add our social accounts to Opus.ai, which is a social content remixer, which takes our long form content and makes it into short form content. I then need to update our agency course and move it from one LMS to another LMS. I then need to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot to manage our enterprise customers. Then I need to create some logic in HubSpot and segment our different users based on their data so that we can add reactivation sequences and sequences for when people upgrade and downgrade their plans. Then I need to create 5 new templates, which are the most common use cases that we see people build, and then record a video of how our agencies will go and resell them to their clients. Reprioritize that list for me.
Let's dive in. Here's how we can prioritize your tasks. 1. Creating logic and segmenting users in HubSpot. This will allow you to effectively manage customer interactions, especially for upgrades, downgrades, and reactivations, which are critical for revenue. 2. Creating a sales pipeline in HubSpot. A well-defined sales pipeline is essential for managing and converting leads.
Just read the list to me and don't share your reasoning just yet.
Got it. Here's the reprioritized list. 1. Create logic and segment users in HubSpot. 2. Create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. 3. Create 5 new templates and record a video for agencies. 4. Update the agency course and move it to another LMS. 5. Add social accounts to Opus.ai.
Amazing. Thank you so much, ChatGPT.